Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Subway. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in subway.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Subway website depending on your location. So right from the home page, you can proceed with logging into your account by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner. Once you click on this, you will be taken into the login page. In this page, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Now, in order to change your password, go ahead and click on Forgot Your Password underneath the Join Now button. And now you will be taken into the password reset page. Just enter your email address within the email box and click on the Next button, and you will receive an email with the confirmation code that you will need to enter in the next screen, after which you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Just go ahead and proceed forward and enter your new password, and once you complete this step, you will be able to use your newly set password along with your email address to sign into your account on Subway. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Subway website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.